Okay, here is Samson with Papa, and I don't know if you can hear them, but Samson is actually falling asleep, and he will start snoring in a little bit. I don't know. I hope you can hear them. Okay, here it goes. It's not sleeping yet. Okay, right there. He's snoring. Hope you can hear them.